Stone Floor Cleaning New Malden by Fabritec Stone Care. As a homeowner, you take pride in keeping your home clean and pristine. But when it comes to your natural stone floors, it can be a frustrating and daunting task. You've searched high and low for a reliable stone floor cleaning service in New Malden. But you can't find a company to meet your standards. Welcome to the world of Fabritec Stone Care, the ultimate solution for all your stone care needs. Say goodbye to dull and lifeless surfaces, and hello to a vibrant and radiant shine that will leave you breathless. With Fabritec Stone Care, you can finally say goodbye to stubborn stains and unsightly grime. Our products are specifically designed to penetrate deep into the pores of your stone floors, lifting dirt and debris from even the toughest spots.